Hello everyone, this is an updated video of how to backup secure folder on Samsung. So you need to go to your settings, then scroll down and go to Journal Management. From here you will see Reset option, tap on it. Now here you will see two options, Temporary Cloud Backup and External Storage Backup. Tap on Temporary Cloud Backup, tap on Backup Data. It will take few seconds, and now from here deselect all and only select the secure folder. As you can see, I have deselected all the apps and I have only selected the secure folder because I want backup of secure folder only. So tap on backup. Now tap on backup again. As you can see, it requires PIN. Enter your current PIN. As you can see, the backup is now ongoing. It will take couple of minutes, so please hang on. Now as you can see, our secure folder data is now backup. Tap on done. Now it is safe on backup. Let's go back. In temporary cloud backup, your data only remains in backup for 30 days. But if you want to backup your data for longer time, I recommend you to use external storage backup. To do external storage backup, you need to connect your mobile with your laptop or a USB to transfer your secure data. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will meet you in next video.